You are paying $500 a month for a marketing agency, and they are doing 5 things: writing your content, managing your social media, creating your email campaigns, designing your ad copy, building your brand voice. 5 things, $500 every single month. I replaced all 5 with 5 prompts in Claude for free. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to give you every single one of them. Copy them, use them today, no agency required. Beat. Prompt 1, content creation. Copy this exactly. You are a content strategist for your niche brand targeting your audience. Write 5 content ideas for this week. Each idea must have a hook sentence, a main point, and a call to action. Tone. Your tone. Professional, POS, casual, HOS, bold. Format. Short form, social media post. What you get back. 5 ready-to-post pieces of content in your voice for your audience in under 30 seconds. An agency charges $200 for a monthly content calendar. Claude does it in 30 seconds for free. Beat prompt 2. Email campaign. Copy this exactly. Write a 5 email welcome sequence for new subscribers to your brand. Email 1. Warm welcome and what to expect. Email 2. Your story and why you started. Email 3. Your best free resource. Email 4. Social proof and results. Email 5. Soft pitch for your product. Tone. Conversational and honest. Each email under 200 words. What you get back. A complete email sequence that converts subscribers into buyers. Done. Ready to upload. Agencies charge $300 for a welcome sequence. Claude writes it in 40 seconds. Beat. Prompt 3. Ad copy. Copy this exactly. Write 3 versions of a Facebook ad for your product or service. Version A. Lead with the problem. Version B. Lead with the result. Version C. Lead with a shocking statistic. Each version, headline, body copy, call to action. Keep each under 100 words. Target audience. Describe your audience. What you get back. 3 tested ad angles. Ready to A/B test immediately. No copywriter needed. No agency needed. Just Claude in 30 seconds. Beat. Prompt 4. Brand voice. This one is the most underrated. Copy this exactly. Analyze the following 3 pieces of my existing content and identify my brand voice. Give me 5 adjectives that describe my tone, 3 things I should always say, 3 things I should never say, and a 1-paragraph brand voice guide I can paste into any future prompt. Paste 3 of your best posts or emails. Hit enter. What you get back. Your complete brand voice guide. The thing agencies spend weeks building. Claude builds it in 60 seconds. From this point forward, paste this guide into every Claude prompt. Every piece of content will sound like you, consistently, at scale. Beat. Prompt 5. Social media strategy. Copy this exactly. Create a 30-day social media strategy for your brand on platform. Include posting frequency, content pillars with 3 topics each, best times to post, engagement tactics, and 1 growth hack specific to platform. My goal, your specific goal. Followers, leads, sales. What you get back. A complete 30-day roadmap. The kind of strategy document agencies present in fancy PDF decks and charge $500 for. Claude gives it to you in 60 seconds, for free. Beat 5 prompts. Content, email, ads, voice, strategy, the complete marketing stack. $0, 0 agency, 0 waiting. Just you, Claude, and 5 minutes. This is what AI leverage actually looks like. Not theory, not inspiration. Real tools, real prompts, real results today. Subscribe, because every week I bring you one more workflow like this. 1 prompt, 1 tool, 1 strategy that saves you time and money starting immediately. And if you're communicating with international clients or audiences, and your English accent is the one thing holding you back, SpeakPro is in the description. 5 minutes a day. AI coaching that actually works. I'll see you in the next video.